Making Schwarzwälder, cutting up frozen strawberries. The nice thing about doing things like this is that I can just actually do a voiceover if I don't like it. I could just be like, cutting all the strawberries up from our Schwarzwälders. And then, I don't know what to say. Frozen strawberries from my garden. All organic. No pesticides. Plastic free. PF, AF, NF, all of the F's free strawberries from my garden.
It's in a plastic bag.
Except for the BPA, which is in the bag.
It's gonna be the funniest short ever.
Tinfoil, aluminum for your brain to cause Alzheimer's. Next, chocolate cake. But I didn't use inflammatory oils because instead of oil every single time in my cake, I use all organic from my tree apples that I made applesauce with. I even have picked out every worm individually.
No, she didn't. She did not do that.
So there was no worms in my applesauce. Next, I cream it. This cream is not organic. I did not milk the cow. I did not use a cream separator. Although, if I had $1 million, I would buy a cream separator.
Most likely.
And a cow.
And a goat.
Oh, goat.
I'd milk my goat.
You
Separate
can
that
milk
cream.
goats.
Okay. Strawberries.
Slap them on there.
Wait. This person's only going to get a couple strawberries. Okay. Next, cake. On my lopsided cake, you just piece it back together. Now it is straight. Beautiful. More cream. And squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. And I have no more cream. Now, cream tip. Wash your hands.
Oh.
When filling up cream, use a cup or any type of things to put into a bag because it's terrible because it folds over. Next, I do not whip my whipping cream in. I don't whip my whipping cream in a beater. I use a blender
Use the blender.
because it's so much faster and it works really good. And I don't have that time in my life to wait for cream to turn into butter or cream, whipping cream. Okay, grab the side of your bag and then shake, and make sure it's all low and reapply. Now, you cannot see what I'm doing, so I'll diagonal it, but I'm going to make cream on the air bubbles on the bottom.
Like it's farting.
Turn. More. Whipping cream is so delicious. And that's okay because we have a knife. We now can just go lift up. Don't go over there. I don't want you there. Wait for it. Lift up. Oh, come back. Just lift it up to its head. Come up to the top. All the way to the top. Come up to the top. Sweet. To this guy. Up to the top. Up to the top. Whoop. Whoop. And all the extra cream you just whip down the other side.
Missed his spot. You missed his spot.
Okay. More cream.
I wonder. Oh yeah.
You might need more cream.
I do.
Creamy fingers. There's just barely enough cream to finish.
Oh no, are you gonna have to blend more?
Yep, I am. Here, go explosions.